Hi everyone, my name is Selena, co-founder of Bubble Lab, and today I want to show you guys one highly requested workflow. I'm relatively new to hosting events, but having done it a few times, I know how important it is to try to connect attendees who are coming, and that actually takes a lot of work to research your attendees, pair them with people to talk to, and send them an email with their matches information. So here's a workflow that solves that on Bubble Lab. Let's slowly build up this automation so that we have control of every step and we can build it extremely well one time and never have to touch it again. The first thing that I want to do is based on a CSV, which has all the guests to my event. This I can just download from Luma or Partiful. Help me do research on each person through their LinkedIn that's provided and any other relevant information, and help me put it into the Google spreadsheet with the following info: their name, email, LinkedIn, and of course the research that we conducted on them. Once you put in a prompt like this, Pearl, our AI assistant, will go in and think through and populate the workflow and the logic automatically for you. So the workflow is done. It's asking for the CSV upload and also optionally name the spreadsheet title that's going to put the results in. Now let's run this and we can literally observe it live in the spreadsheet as it's populating through and adding the research summary for every single person. Okay, so step one done. Now let's actually start pairing people as well based on who they are and who might be interesting for them to talk to at the event. I'm going to keep this clean and make a second workflow for this, which is basically given this Google spreadsheet, help me read in the research analysis column and recommend each person 3 people to talk to based on overlap on their companies, hobbies, background, etc. I have a very specific way that I want to do this, so I'm just prompting it a little bit more to put them into groups of 4 so that one person is recommended 3 other people to talk to. With Bubble Lab, you can be extremely detailed like this, or you can leave it up to Bubble Lab to piece together the best logic for you. And no matter which you choose, you'll end up with a production-ready workflow that you can observe to every single detail. Now, this is built as well, so let's just plug in the spreadsheet that we have, and now we can see it created a new tab with group recommendations. And just like how I asked, it has paired each person with 3 other people to talk to, including their name and a rationale of why they should talk to them. This is all great, and I could stop here honestly, and it's already really helpful, but let's just automate the last step as well, sending all these guests an email with the 3 people that they should talk to and the information, and put all these email drafts in my inbox so it's ready to send. So I'm describing exactly that again in a third workflow, and here it is built out. It's just asking for some parameters on how I named each column, and let's run this. And that is perfect. I now have it in my inbox for each person, welcoming them to the event, as well as the 3 people that they should talk to, including their social media. With Bubble Lab, the sky's the limit on what you can automate. I know I will definitely be using this for all future events that I host. I hope you guys find this useful, and as usual, please reach out if you have any questions about Bubble Lab. Thank you.